how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Now, first thing you want to troubleshoot is you have to make sure that all of those voice settings are on. Now, you have to join on a voice channel first. Now, let's try this as for example. Now, if you click on share your screen, just a set of reminder, if you want to stream on a game that you want, you have to make sure that that game has a feature of not full screen. So your voice feature will not be able to work if you use screens. It will only work on applications. Now, all you have to do is to go to settings, you scroll down and go to voice and video, and then scroll down again. Now, these are the settings that what we are talking about earlier, the advanced voice activity and then automatic gain control. Now, if these two are already working, you'll just have to make sure that the game that you're trying to stream has a feature of not in full screen. But you can try to turn off the automatic gain control and redo your game again. Now, that's how you troubleshoot your Discord screen share audio not working.